Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Before proceeding, make sure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. 1. Prepare the laptop. Lay your HP 15CS on a soft, clean surface. This will prevent scratches while you work. 2. Remove the back cover. Using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, locate and unscrew the 10 screws on the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place since you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or the casing. 3. Locate the battery. Once the back cover is off, you will see the battery. It is usually rectangular and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, take a moment to visually inspect the battery for any signs of damage or swelling. 4. Disconnect the battery. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You can do this by gently wiggling it while pulling it straight out. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's manual for guidance. 5. Remove the old battery. The battery may be secured with a couple of screws. Use your Phillips No. 0 screwdriver to remove these screws. After that, gently lift the battery out of the compartment. If you need assistance or lack the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 6. Insert the new battery. Take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure it in place. Next, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. 7. Reassemble the laptop. Place the back cover back onto the laptop. Make sure all clips are aligned correctly. Reinsert all 10 screws you removed earlier using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver. Ensure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could damage the casing. 8. Power on the laptop. Once everything is securely in place, turn your laptop back on. Check if it recognizes the new battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, no calls, no travel. 9. Clean the inside. Before you finish, consider cleaning the inside of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to remove any dust, especially around the fans and vents. This will help in maintaining optimal performance. 10. Final check. After the laptop is powered on, keep an eye on the battery performance. If you notice any irregularities, feel free to contact us for a quote before repair. This way, you know exactly what to expect before any work is done. Following these steps should help you successfully change the battery on your HP 15CS. Remember, if you're ever in doubt, our team is here to assist you with any technical issues you might face. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.